simply of 6 hydrocoptic marsal vanes so fitted to the ambipatient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus O-delta type placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots of the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible turning pipe to the differential.
Those are the equations I'm using for my I-beam. So I came up with these numbers so far. 20-foot span, 1-ton bridge girder specs for S-beam, 10-inch tall, 25.4 pounds per foot. The roof area is 3,360 square foot, 30-pound snow load rating, and the engineering can carry 100,000 pounds. Divide that by 5 rafters, we come up with 20,000 pounds. Take half the building weight on the roof, so that's about 2,000 pounds. We'll say that each rafter can carry 18,000 pounds. We're using 40% of the tensile strength of the material, coming up with 3,600 pounds of weld strength per inch. There's 111 inches of weld, so roughly it'll take 400,000 pounds of force to bring that I-beam down. There's the drawings of the building, and basically what I'm doing here. And we'll see if it holds. I'm not that smart. I have a high school education, so just way overbuild it, test it. If it holds, rate it at half of that, and we're good to go. Up on the lift, welding the beam in place with triple pass welds, and then it's going to have a lot of supports going up and down everywhere across. We got some 1/2-inch plate gussets, 1/2-inch plate end cap, trolley. That's where the crane will attach. Got her all welded in, 40 feet of 1/4 inch by flat bar. And she's all in tension, so she'll be good. Alright, there's my scale. I'll do an initial test of 1,000 pounds. So, here we go. Okay, there's 1,000. Whew, scary. Alright, 1,000 pounds to go. Let's see what fits. Holy cow! 2,020 pounds by hand. Whew. I think I'll use a remote control for that. Okay. Let's see what she does, huh? Alright, she's off the ground. Hold this or not. Alright. There we are, one end. I'll leave the remote here with you guys. Well, everything's still there. frozen. Alright, all good. This remote's nice. Ta-da! Ta-da! Video proof 2,020 pounds. And the roof didn't cave in on me. Yay!